I'm Tom from DIY Life Tech, and this is a look at my new lighted magnifier. So this is a neat little magnifier. It's got a 10 times magnification. So you can see if we want to read something that's really small text here, I can hold this and I can get a really magnified view of that. So if you're trying to read something small, if you're looking at, for example, a circuit board, so I like to use this if I'm looking at the details on historical photos, or if I'm looking at a printed circuit board for my own work, or if you're just using it for reading a menu, looking at something like a map up close, or in this case a brochure, it's really helpful for that with that 10 times magnification. Just a quick note that the maker of this magnifier gifted me one as a sponsorship to test, and thank you again for that. But the nice thing here is that it also has this setting where you can turn on a light, and you can actually control the color temperature of the light. So I'm going to go ahead and press this. You can see we got this nice bright light here to illuminate what I'm reading, even if I was in a totally dark room. So if you're out at a restaurant, for example, and you're trying to read the menu, I think this would be a great option for that. Or if you're trying to read something in the dark, and you want to be able to use this, maybe you're in your car and trying to consult a paper map, you're pulled over and you take this out, you can look through and see what you're looking at there. Also great, again, if you're doing detailed work for a craft. So if you're trying to examine a stitch that you've done or knitting, it's nice to have that light because you can look and illuminate, be able to see that close up. This is the high color temperature setting, so it's a very blue light. If I press the button again, I get a nice low color temperature setting. This is nicer if you're going to use this for extended reading, reduces the eye strain there, I think, to have that kind of warmer light, or you can go for a third press and get a medium setting that's somewhere in between those. Press again, switch the light off. So really, easy to use, pretty simple design here. It's nice and hefty, and again, I like that relatively strong magnification on here that makes it easy to read any of these sorts of printed things, or again, in my case, for my electronics work, or even for hobbies. So really great magnifier there.